How y'all feeling this? I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. Tell me, man, it's just a fan. You hold no brain. Get into it. I'm feeling this look. I look real cute. Let's get into this video, y'all. Hey, I'm back. Yes, I know I was gone for a week. You haven't seen my face in probably 2 weeks. But I am back with a new video for today. Before we go ahead and get started, I want to thank you all so very much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can know when my videos have been uploaded. Let's get right into the video. So for today's video, it's Friday, which I usually do Face Mask Friday, but I'm changing it up a little bit today. So I will be talking about my skincare routine. I'm sorry, I'm really just feeling myself right now. Like, I laid this wig down great. Curls are popping 10. Got my little sideburns going. I look like a little Spanish mommy. But yes, today we're going to do a skincare routine. I'm going to go through the products. I will also have a video either right here or right here showing the order and, you know, just me using these products as well. So all these products that I have in front of me are affordable. I repeat, they are affordable. Everything was purchased from Walmart. The only thing that was not purchased from Walmart was my spin brush, which I purchased online for $5. I didn't have time to spend hundreds of dollars on a vanity spin brush, whatever other spin brush there's out. But that's the only thing that was not purchased from Walmart. I will have a video up of this hair. This is the hair that I've been doing a series on. I know my last video, it was black with some brown highlights, but I didn't like it. It wasn't something I was used to. So I decided to go over it again with some red, which is my color. But I will have a video, an updated review of this hair because I've had it in for a month now. But let's go ahead and get started. I know I said it like 4 times, but I just had to catch up on a couple of things. So the first thing I'm going to show you all is the brush. Oh, what is this? Okay, this is the brush. It comes in a case. It has 5 things on there. Well, it has 4 brushes. Well, 5. I'm not sure names on them, but I know I use this one. This is the one I use. And this itself, all you do is whichever one you want to use, which is this one. Attach it. It comes in 2 settings. You have low, and then you have high. I'm not sure what all these other things are. I know this one right here, if I could just get it out. This one is most likely a massager because it has the balls on it. So it's probably a massager. If y'all know what these other brushes are used for, let me know because I know I'm not going to use it. This one, I'm going to guess this is a makeup remover because it's spongy and soft and whatnot. So I'm guessing that's a makeup remover. Probably this one is too. That's how you know I don't use these because they never come out. This one is like spongy as well. So there's probably 2 different makeup removers. Y'all, I really don't know, but I know this is the one I use with the bristles. I use that one for my face. So the first thing I do is I go in with my Clean and Clear Essentials Foaming Facial Cleanser for sensitive skin, which I do have at times. My my skin could be very sensitive. I can't put anything with fragrance on my face at all, or I will break out. That's actually what happened to me a couple of days ago. I put something on my, I'm not sure what lotion I put on. It's the lotion I have in my purse. I put some of that lotion on my face because I was at work and my face was ashy. And I just started to break out. I have a bump right here. Have a couple right here. There's some right here. But they are going away. But this is the first thing I do. Again, there will be a video either right here or right here as I talk about these products. This is actually pretty good. I don't have any bad things to say about it. You can get this from Walmart. You probably can get it from CVS, a drugstore, anywhere. It shouldn't cost you no more than $5. It says it washes away problem-causing dirt, oil, and makeup without over-drying, and it is oil-free, which is great because I don't need my skin to be oily throughout the day. So that's the first thing I go in with. And then I use this right afterwards, which is my gel mask and scrub charcoal with black sugar, and it's polishing. Well, it says polishing charcoal and black sugar gel mask and scrub. This is for all skin types. It instantly detoxes pores and exfoliates for smooth skin, dual action. So with this, oh, excuse me. With this, I use my applicator, silicone applicator, to put this on my face. And I let it sit for about 5 minutes, sometimes 3 to 5 minutes, and then I get it deep into my pores again with my brush. After it sits for 5 minutes, I use the brush and put it in, have it scrub in, and then I go in with my wash rag, my facial wash rag, with warm water, and I rinse it off. And I can tell you, right after I rinse it off, I feel a difference instantly. My face looks brighter, it looks smoother, my face smells good, it's sweet. But yeah, I use this. Again, you can get this from Walmart. I'm not sure if they have it at CVS, Walgreens, drugstores, but I know for sure this is at Walmart because that's where I got this from. After I go in with this, I use Seabreeze. I use this. This is a astringent. It deep cleans down to the pores. It leaves your face feeling tingling and refreshing, and I guarantee you your face will feel tingly and refreshing after this. It may even seem like it's burning, but it's not. It's just a tingly feeling. And with that, I use, with that, I use cotton squares. I got these from Family Dollar. I'm not really sure how much these cost, but you can either use cotton squares, cotton balls, whichever you choose. I choose cotton squares. I have cotton balls as well, but I just use cotton squares for my face. These, you would think that these will cost, because when I went in there, I thought this was about, I was thinking it was going to be like $1, $2, but I think it was about $3 for this bottle here. It comes with 10 fluid ounces, but a little does go a long way. I've had these products for, I want to say, since February. Either end of January, beginning of February, I've had these, and I've been using these things to clean my face. And the only thing I had to really refresh on was this, the Clean and Clear. But other than that, I've had this for almost 4 months now. I've had this for almost 4 months. So a little does go a long way with these products. The next thing I do use is, right after my Seabreeze, I go in with my toner. Now, the reason I use a toner is because my face used to be 2 different colors. Like all right here, it'll be patchy and lighter, and that was something that I've dealt with since I I believe in elementary school, and I always wanted to fix it. So with me using that toner, it has been fixing the splotches of different color on my face. Now the only thing I really want to work on, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a dark mark here, and I think I have one on this side as well. This side is not really as dark, but I know this side is really dark. See right here, I want to work on that. I don't know exactly what to use, but if you know what I can use, leave that and leave your suggestions in the comment section down below. I will be sure to check those out, but that's something I really want to work on. I've already started working on the, as I said, the splotches of different color. It would be a lighter color all over my face. I've started working on that, and that's because I started using this. This is Dixon's Enhanced Witch Hazel Hydrating Toner. Moisturizes skin, refines pores, enhanced with nourishing, I don't know this word, high something acid, and vitamin E to soften, condition, and gently remove impurities without over drying. Alcohol-free exclusive formula. And this is 16 fluid ounces. This was not $1. This was probably closer to $5, about $4.87 I think. But it's well worth it. Again, a little does go a long way. I've had this for a long time, the same amount of time that I had the Sea Breeze, and I still have a lot. So, and I wash my face twice a day. When I get from work, and when I do it when I get home from work, which is roughly around 7 o'clock in the morning, and then I do it before I go to work, which is around 10:45ish, 10:30. So I use those 2 times a day. I still have a lot of product left in there, so a little, again, does go a long way. The last thing I do is moisturize my face. Now, I saw this product on another YouTuber's skincare routine, and this is, I believe she used a different brand, but I use the Equate brand. It's a gentle skin cream, long-lasting moisturize. This has 16 yeah, she used a Cetaphil. I'm using Equate because I didn't want to buy anything too pricey and not like it on my face. So I decided to get the Equate version, which is Walmart's generic brand. This has 16 fluid ounces in here, and when I say this is a lot of product for one person, listen. This is a lot. This is a lot. So I don't think I have to worry about purchasing any more of this for the rest of the year. Along with these things, I recommend you drinking lots of water if you want to have nice, smooth, I don't want to say flawless because everybody has flaws in their skin. Like me, like I told you, I have these dark marks on the side and my pores are huge right here. But drink a lot of water so you can have glowy skin. That is a major key aside to taking care of your skin. So that's one last goal I want to hit for this year for my channel. But other than that, I have nothing else to say in this video. Again, these are the products. I don't know if I can get them all up in this. And then the Clean and Clear and the the Equate moisturizer. But we have come to the end of this video. I want to thank you all so very much for sticking with me on my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. How I liking this hair? Yes, I love it. I love it. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified when my videos have been uploaded. See you in my next one. Bye. Using is, I have here already cut up bell peppers, green onions, and andouille sausage. Go ahead and click that subscribe button. What you waiting on? I'll wait. Oh, you did it? Thanks.